Hi, this is Heather and welcome back to Cooking with the Tachnas. I want to show you how to make a really easy powdered sugar frosting. This is what I use to frost all my cookies, and there's no measurement to it. So literally it's a powdered sugar to milk ratio, and it is all dependent upon how thick you want it or how thin you want it. So I'm making red and green frosting for the buttermilk sugar cookies that I just made. And powdered sugar goes everywhere, so I recommend kind of a big bowl so that it's easier to mix. And powdered sugar diminishes so quickly when you add fluid to it, so even if this looks like a ton, it isn't. So then I just add a little bit of milk. And I put the vanilla in at the end after I've gotten it to the thickness that I want it to be at. So you can tell right away that this needs more fluid. And this one is probably the same. I always err on the side of less fluid in the beginning, because otherwise you'll just go forever and ever and ever trying to get this to work. There. Okay. Yeah, just a little dollop of vanilla. Splash. There. All right. Time to add the food coloring. This is kind of a gel. And again, you just add food coloring to get it to whatever color, darkness you want. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna frost my cookies. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.